An agent's files reveal the following facts about the policyholders. Calculate the total number of the policyholders who own at least one of these three insurance products. So the three products that we see in these conditions are auto, homeowner, and life insurance. So let A be for auto, H for homeowners, and L for life. So this left oval is for auto, the right oval is for home, and the one at the bottom is for life. And now we have the 7 conditions, and we've written different parts of this Venn diagram with letters. So let's see how the 7 conditions translate into these. So the first condition is 243 have auto. So it means X plus Y plus U plus V. That's 243, X, Y, U, V. And then we are given that 207 have homeowners. That's the second condition. So 207 for homeowners, and homeowners are Y, Z, V, and W. So that's 207, Y, Z, V, and W. And then the third condition is that 55 on life insurance and homeowner insurance. So life and homeowner, the intersection of these two is this part. No, for the life and homeowners, the intersection is this part, V plus W. So V plus W is 55. And then the fourth condition is 96 on auto and homeowner. So auto and homeowner, okay, that's the one which has this part as the intersection, the Y and the V. So Y plus V equals 96. And then the fifth condition is the 32 on life, auto, and homeowner insurance. So the intersection of all the three. So that's this part, and that's calling it as V, but we already have the value for V. V is 32. So sixth condition is 76 more clients on auto than life. So it means 76 more clients on only auto than only life. So only auto is 76 more than only life. Now the only auto is X. So X is 76 more than only life, and only life is P. So it means X is equal to P plus 76. That's condition number 6. And then condition number 7 is 270 on only one of the three. So only one of the three means this part X, these are the ones that own only auto. Z, these are the ones that own only home. And P, these are the ones that own only life. Okay, so X plus Z plus P is 270. All right, so now we have translated all the 7 conditions into these notations. And now one of the conditions was giving us the value direct. V is equal to 32. That was condition number 5. And we can substitute this V is equal to 32 in 3 and 4. So you see, if you substitute V equals 32 in 3, so it's 32 plus W equals 55. And that gives us W equals 23. And similarly, when we substitute V is equal to 32 in number 4, get y plus 32 equals 96. So y comes out to be 64. And then, okay, we have 3 variables by now, the v, w, and the y. If we look at the equations, if you look at number 2, that has all 3 of them, the v, w, and the y. So if we substitute, we'll get z. So substitute the v, w, y in equation number 2. And z is the only missing one. So z comes out to be 207 from this. Z comes out to be 88 from this. Okay, so now we have W, Y, Z, and V. So we have 4 of them. And then at this point, we are, for the time being, done with 1 through 5. But if you look at 6 and 7, if you eliminate P from 6 and 7, we will only be left with X and Z. And we have the Z already, so we'll be able to calculate X. So from 6, we have P will be X minus 76. P will be X minus 76. And now we substitute this in 7 and also putting Z equals 88. So in 7, we put Z equals 88 and P equals X minus 76. We have X plus Z will be X plus 88. And the next one was plus P, and P is X minus 76. And all that equals 270. And from here, we have X equals 129. So now, if we go back to 1, in 1 we had X, Y, U, and V. So by now we have X, Y, and V. So if we substitute those in 1, we will get U. Substitute those in 1. So U comes out to be 18. And now we are only left with P. So P is X minus 76 as here. So X is 129. 129 minus 76 is 53. So if we look at what we were to find, we were to find the number of holders who own at least one of these 3. So at least one of these 3 means all these letters X, Y, Z, U, V, W, P. So the only thing that's not contributing to at least one of these is this one, the Q. That's the proportion of those who own none of these policies, but this part was never used in this problem. So we have to find that. So at least one will be the sum of all these letters X, Y, Z, U, V, W, and P. We have all of them by now. So you add them all, you substitute all these values, it adds up to 407. That was choice B.